Guys, so we are going down to the basement. If you watched my last video of the pumpkins, then you already know.
I like Hot Wheels.
Yeah, I sort of do.
And we all buying some.
Yeah. So we are going to play this that we made like before this video.
Works, see?
Yeah.
It really works.
So that is a good car there. Works pretty well.
We went all the way.
And actually, there's some cool things that we did. So, my brother actually has the ultimate garage that he kind of took apart. But we used the sign as a little support beam. And then we used this thing from an old Ghostbusters playset. And then some other curved pieces that he got from the ultimate garage. And then this is really cool here. This little swirly tower. All these. Whoa, that one usually doesn't go that far. What? Look at this! Oh! I still think we should definitely add this. It's going to help stand it up. And it's going to help it get going faster. Okay. I'll fix this a little. Can't see very well. I have some flashlights, but I'm not sure if we really need to use those. There's another one here that we gotta fix. This took a really long time to make. I pretty much came up with on my own. Like, okay, so our best cars that work is this one. I got it from a friend. No, that one doesn't work well on this track. There's another one, Stormtrooper one. Let's find it. Here we go, this one. This one works pretty well. So, you already saw this one go, but not for very long. So, here's a different kind of view here.
That's right. The two cars I didn't.
It ended up right there.
That one was the best.
Okay. Whoa.
That one's close, but it didn't make it.
So close. That was pretty good. Let's try again. Like, guys, there was no instructions for this. We made this all on our own. Here's the Stormtrooper one.
Make it!
No. Oh, the Stormtrooper one flipped upside down. Here, get it again. Push it up more.
3, 2, 1. Here's your best car.
Well, one of the ones.
It is about done.
This one here is really funny. It has 6 wheels. The car's not funny, but like it's really funny when it
made it. How did it stop?
When it goes down because it has 6 wheels and it goes faster. It goes really fast. So look what happens. So we can't use that one for any of these tracks here. Let's fix it. Okay, here's another angle.
So close to not making it.
It's like a minivan.
Minivan.
That's not a minivan. Oh, there is a pretty good one that works. Where is it? Let's find it here. We have some cars in here. These aren't all the cars we have. Let's go find all of them. Okay, guys, we found all the cars that I went from. That basket right there over there. You can't see it though. Right, here's the flashlight.
Look, how
You can't really see it still.
What?
Flashlight over there. There's not very good light, like
1,
from my
2, 3,
tablet.
4,
Okay, here's one of
5,
them.
6, 7,
Can't see it very well, so let's bring it over
11,
here.
12,
It's
13,
this
14,
one.
15.
It's pretty cool.
I have 15 cars.
Okay, let's
And
test.
I have this one too.
Oh, nice. We picked the same one. There's 2. Oh, take those off the track. Take those off the track. You're going to run into this one. Ooh. Oh. It got stuck. Let's try one of yours next. Pick one and I'll pick one.
Here we go.
Ooh, that one came with the Ultimate Garage.
Here we go. It made it.
My car is this one. I bet this one's going to go through pretty well. Ooh, going fast. It made it!
My
Guys, if a car doesn't make it, it doesn't mean our track is bad. It just means that the cars. It just means like the cars aren't very good at like.
Here's my car. The Lightning McQueen.
Really, that's not gonna work.
My wheel, I did it.
That was a fail. Mine is this one. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. It's a little older. I had this when I was like 4 and 5, and now I'm 9. Ooh.
9-5.
Whoa! That was like the best one so far.
Let's try this one.
Ooh, I don't think that's gonna work too well. My turn. I'm not sure if this one's gonna work. Let's try it. Found this when I was a kid at a pool. Nope, that one's a fail.
Okay, my turn. What car do I use? Let's try
This one.
this one. Hey, my turn.
You forgot to take the car off.
That was a turn.
Yeah. No. My turn.
Yay, you made it!
No, it didn't. You pushed it.
No, I didn't.
Which in this front? Let me get this car. This is the front. Oh, is that? This, I can't tell. I think this is the front. Okay. Oh, wait. I put it on wrong. I put it with one wheel out. Okay. Ooh, that car goes so fast, it just flies off the track. Okay, I only have 3 more to pick.
Okay, my turn. That's the car I'm going to pick.
Here we go.
What car should I pick?
I think you should pick the red race car. Race cars are usually better for this kind of track. Because they're built for more turn. Oh, wait, that one didn't count. Didn't count. You broke it! Let me fix this real quick. Got it all fixed. Okay.
2. Oh! Like the car we are using.
Here's this one. Put mine down.
8. I have 8 more cards left.
8? I only have 3.
That's because I got
Come
1,
on,
2,
go,
3,
go,
4,
go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It made it! I had to do a redo, but it made it. Okay, let's just do my last 2. Here we go. This is kind of more of a beat up one. Looks like a car that I used to have.
I have 8. This is a massive.
Oh, it stopped. Oh, it keeps stepping on the track. Let's try this again. And guys, like, you would think that when this goes downhill, it's going to fly off the curve. But it doesn't do that. You probably can't see it very well. But actually, it goes down, and then there's an uphill. So it gets enough speed to go up the hill. And that's why it doesn't fly off the curve sometimes. They only do that if they're going super fast.
What? Last one.
Okay,
I
my last one. I think this one might do pretty well. I'm not sure. Like, this one wouldn't be good for boosters, though. Like the extra, because it would just go right there, and it wouldn't go fast at all. Whoa! I think that one was the best. Okay, pick yours now. Your last 2.
No. See?
Pick your last 2.
Why?
Just come on. Wait, this video's too long. Bye, guys.